Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some important news for iPhone users. If you are still using an iPhone 6 or older, you might have noticed that WhatsApp has stopped working. That's right. Due to software compatibility issues, WhatsApp no longer supports these devices. In this video I'll explain why this is happening, what it means for affected users, and what you can do if you are in this situation. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the reason. WhatsApp regularly updates its app to include new features, better security, and bug fixes. However, these updates often require new versions of iOS to function properly. WhatsApp now requires iOS 12 or later to run, but the iPhone 6 and older models like iPhone 5s and 5 cannot be updated beyond iOS 12.5.7. This means these devices are officially out of WhatsApp support range. It's not just WhatsApp, it's common for older devices to lose support for popular apps as technology moves forward. If you're using an iPhone 6 or older, here's what this means. You can't use WhatsApp. There are third-party applications that will allow you to download WhatsApp, but still it will be unusable. The app won't open or function properly. No access to chats or calls. You will lose the ability to send messages, make calls, or access your chat history. No future updates. Even if you reinstall the app from the scratch, it won't work because of software installation. So, what can you do now? Upgrade your iPhone. Unfortunately, the only permanent solution is upgrading to a newer iPhone, the model that supports iOS 12 or later. Even models like iPhone 6s or iPhone SE first generation can run iOS 15 and still support WhatsApp. Export your chat history. Before you lose access to WhatsApp entirely, you can export your chat history to save important conversation. Open the chat you want to export and tap on more options. Just export chat to save it to your email or iCloud storage. Use WhatsApp web or WhatsApp desktop. If you have access to your computer, you can still log into WhatsApp web or WhatsApp desktop app, provided your account is already linked before the app stopped working. Is it time to upgrade? I know upgrading your iPhone can feel like big step, but if you're using an older device, it might be worth considering. Apps like WhatsApp banking apps and even browsers are slowly phasing out support for outdated softwares. Upgrading ensure your apps stay secure and functional. So that's the latest on WhatsApp and iPhone 6 compatibility. If you have affected, I hope this video helps you decide your next step. So what do you think about WhatsApp dropping support for older iPhones? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video.